Okay? Drone fans, aspiring pilots, and anyone who's looked up and thought, I want to fly a camera. You know the name. DJI. They're the kings of getting cameras in the sky, from pro-level cinema rigs to travel drones anyone can fly. Last year, they dropped their smallest, most budget-friendly drone yet, the DJI Neo. On paper, a dream. Ultra-compact, super light, shoots 4K, the perfect aerial sidekick. But once you got it in the air, reality hit. The Neo felt more like a toy than a tool. Yes, it did 4K, technically, but the video wasn't exactly cinematic. And the flight performance? Kinda meh. Great for backyard fun, but not much more. Now fast forward to May 2025. And the Neo 2 rumors are buzzing. DJI might be ready to fix everything the original got wrong. Better camera, better flight, same tiny size, but way more serious. Let's dive into the leaks and what we might actually see when the DJI Neo 2 launches later this year. Let's address the elephant in the room: noise. One of the loudest criticisms, pun intended, of the original Neo was how surprisingly noisy it was, even louder than DJI's larger drones, like the Flip or Mini 4 Pro. The Neo 2 might be looking to fix that with a complete design overhaul. Rumor has it we could see a foldable frame, much like the DJI Flip. This wouldn't just help with portability, it could also reduce that pesky buzzing sound that made the first Neo less discreet. When it comes to drones, the camera is king. The Neo's 4K at 30 frames per second was fine. But the Neo 2? This thing is rumored to pack a 1x1.3-inch sensor capable of 4K at 100 frames per second. Think crisper footage, smoother slow motion, and richer detail. But it doesn't stop there. Photographers, listen up. How does 48 megapixel still sound? Perfect for snapping stunning photos on the go without hauling around heavy gear. And the field of view? Rumored to jump from 117 degrees to a whopping 155 degrees. That's an ultra-wide perspective for those breathtaking landscapes. Stabilization is another area where the Neo 2 could shine. The original relied on a single-axis gimbal and electronic stabilization. Not bad, but not great for dynamic shots. The Neo 2 could introduce a more advanced mechanical stabilization system, smarter object tracking, and maybe even LiDAR or enhanced obstacle detection. If these features make the cut, this drone won't just fly, it'll glide. Let's talk about endurance. The original Neo clocked in at a modest flight time, but the Neo 2 is rumored to offer up to 24 minutes per charge. For a compact drone, that's a serious upgrade. More time in the air means more creative possibilities and fewer interruptions for charging. So, when does this little marvel take off? While DJI hasn't dropped any official announcements, insider Jasper Ellens hints at a potential release later this year. And if these rumored upgrades are even halfway accurate, the Neo 2 could strike the perfect balance between portability and performance, making it a top pick for both hobbyists and pros. So, what do you think? Could the DJI Neo 2 be the ultimate compact drone we've all been waiting for? Or do you think the competition will outpace it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more drone news and reviews.